Binance Wallet to Exchanger transfer. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to transfer from Binance Wallet to Binance Exchanger. So after you open up your wallet like this, now make sure you are on the wallet section. So from this option, now go to assets, go to your asset, this one. After you come to this asset, now you'll be able to see all the list of the coin that you have on your Binance Wallet. Go and select the coin that you want to send. Let's say I wanted to send BNB. After you select the coin that you want to send to your exchanger, make sure you copy the address of the coin that you want to send from the exchanger. So let's say I already copied the BNB address from my Binance exchanger. So tap on this send button. After you tap on the send button, so from this option now it will ask you to type in the amount. So I'll tap on this section and type in the amount. Let's say I wanted to send like 5 BNB. After you type in the amount that you want to send, from this option now all you have to do, so you can tap on this. So here it will ask you to type in the amount, that the address. So I'll tap on this address. Let's say here is the address now. So if I tap on this continue button, from there my BNB will be transferred to my Binance exchanger. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe.